A Sweet Life with Daphne&Diona.
What is that? Dandelion. Yeah. Dandelion. You want to blow it? Blow real hard. There you go. Blow real hard. There you go. Wow. Blow real hard. Wow. Good job. Oh, good job. Wow. Wow. This is a bridge. 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 Can you say bridge?
Yes.
Good job, bridge. Careful, Fiona, careful. Come on, get over here. Get over here. You got it. Are you taking a break on the stairs? Yeah, oh, your feet is all wet?
It's dirt.
It's dirt? There's dirt in your shoes.
You on my shoes?
Mm-hmm.
My pink shoe. My pink shoe. My pink shoe.
Your pink shoes.
My pink shoe. My pink shoe. My pink that's it. My pink shoe. My pink shoe. My pink that's it. My pink shoe. My pink.
Are you? Good job. Red car, where are you? Good job. Ready? Go! Tunnel. Peekaboo. Big slide. One, two, 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, jump. Good job. I see you. Where's Daphne? There she is. Come on. Big slide. Ready? Set. Go! Whee! Hippo. What color is the hippo? The tongue is red. The hippo is blue. Red and blue. Horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus go all through the town. Good job. The door on the bus go open, shut, open. You're in the lion's mouth. Hello. A rock? Let me see.
Cheese.
Wow, let me see. Show me your rock. Let me see. Whoa, it's a nice rock.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me see. Ooh, another rock.
Yeah.
Wow. Diona. Grass. Grass. That's grass. That's grass. Wow. Grass. Wow. Green grass. Ah,
Flower. Help me.
help you? Okay.
No. Oh no.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a dragonfly.
It's a dragonfly? That's not a dragonfly. What color is this? Wow, red. This is red. Look. Red.
Yeah.
Green. Blue. That's right, blue. Green. Red. A crocodile. It's a...
Red.
This is red. It's a green crocodile.
Green.
Green, yeah.
Yeah.
This is color yellow. Close. It is almost like orange, but it's yellow. Yellow. Blue. Red. Good job. Blue. Red. Red. Green. Blue. That's right. It's blue. Yellow. Yellow. Blue. Stairs. I see you. You're in the tunnel. This is a tunnel. You want to slide? Slide? Slide! Ready? Set, go! Whee! Wow, good job! Wow!
That's all for today. Bye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe.